Did they change the name of this place? Diner Ross Steakhouse, 99 Prince Bar, Glitterloft. 99 Prince Bar. This is not the disco show anymore? Let's check it out. See if it looks exactly the same as the disco show. I think it will.
I asked AI if the disco show was replaced by 99 Prince Street, and here is the answer. No, the disco show or disco show at the LINQ in Las Vegas did not get replaced with 99 Prince Street. Disco Show was an immersive, interactive 1970s disco-themed production by Spiegelworld that opened in 2024 at the LINQ Hotel Casino. It closed after its final performance on January 3, 2026, primarily due to slow ticket sales. Prince, often referred to as 99 Prince Street or 99 Prince Bar, is not a replacement for the show. It was actually part of the same overall venue experience from the beginning. 99 Prince is a cocktail bar described as a gritty, cozy dive bar style spot with uptown cocktails inspired by 1970s NYC subway vibes and the historic 99 Prince Street loft parties. It opened alongside DiscoShow along with the adjacent Diner Ross Steakhouse and the Glitterloft bar/lounge. Multiple sources, including Spiegelworld's own site, announcements, and reviews, confirm that when DiscoShow ended, the bars, 99 Prince and Glitterloft, and restaurant remained open and continued to operate as a dining cocktail destination.
I'm assuming it is. I'll also have to look that up. A lot of times I say I'm going to look stuff up and I forget to look stuff up. Got other things to do, you know something? I got people for that, but they don't do a good job.